Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Paula Peterson about taking calves to the sale barn, and that interview will be on our Facebook page a little bit later. And now Paula is back with a recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by with more.
We love our Wednesdays here in Pure Nebraska because we get fabulous Common Ground volunteers like Paula to come on the show and share some awesome recipes. What do you have for us today?
We are making an apple cider donut cake, and it's really simple. You start with a cake mix.
What kind of cake mix?
This is a butter. Can you go ahead and
Oh, yes.
The melted butter is not so melted anymore.
Okay.
I used a butter cake mix for this, but you could do a spice one. You could do white. You could do. I mean, when you're doing apples, that I probably wouldn't go too crazy. If I was doing cherries, I'd do chocolate, you know.
Ooh, yeah.
And then you just do some melted butter, apple cider, 4 eggs.
4 eggs, okay.
And so a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg. And you could, you know, if you don't like cinnamon, don't put so much in. If you like cloves, add cloves. Make it for what your family likes.
Right, okay.
My family's pretty easy. I cook it, they eat it.
That's what we like, yes.
And then once you get it mixed up like this, you're going to want to add the apples. You don't want to add the apples too early. I don't really know why, but they just said do it at the end. And then you're going to dump it in the bundt pan.
Where did you get this recipe?
I love Facebook. I mean, I really am. I'm horrible about it.
So you found it on there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now once you get this cooked though, here's the kind of fun thing. Once you take some melted butter, you brush it across the top of your cake, and then sprinkle cinnamon sugar on it. So it gives a kind of like cinnamon donut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
And so, yeah. And
so dump this in here.
Yeah.
Does this have to be sprayed?
Yes, spray it. And I tried using that spray with the flour already in it.
Yes, I've seen that.
I was skeptical, but I'm pleasantly surprised. It worked really, really well.
Okay.
It came out that way.
Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah, you didn't have any trouble with it all. It takes about 35 to 40 minutes to bake it. And then you let it cool before you try to take it out of the pan just a little.
Okay.
And then you brush it with the butter and you're ready to go.
Okay, so the guys have been taking this out to the harvest?
in their lunch boxes, and Tony's been a big fan.
You can really taste the apples in it.
Yeah, yeah.
This is good. Very good. This recipe is on our Facebook pages. If you want to copy it down, give it a try. You could warm it up too.
Yeah, warm it up. And Tom has put Cool Whip on it.
No, this is good stuff. Good for breakfast, really any time of the day.
It is. And I mean, it's actually solid enough. I mean, you don't need a fork. It can go in the lunchbox. It's great. Yeah.
Yeah, the guys will love it too.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Paula.
No worries.
Back to you, Jen.
All right.